Alright, so cappuccino र latte एकैचोटि order आयो भने एउटै टेबलमा कसरी बनाउने त? So त्यसको लागि चाहिँ I'm going to take milk जसमा चाहिँ cappuccino र latte दुईटैको लागि चाहिँ लिएको छौं अनि त्यसपछि गएर we're going to brew 2 single shots of espresso. Let's do this. Alright, so after it's done, दुईटा espresso निकाल्ने फर्स्टमा चाहिँ म cappuccino बनाउँछु. So जहिले पनि milkलाई सेपरेट गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ पिचरमा नजिकमा यसरी फलाउनु so that you get more foam. So firstमा we're gonna make cappuccino. त्यसपछि गएर चाहिँ सेकेन्डमा we're gonna make take this one. So what you can do is you can take the spoon. Look at this one. You can take this one. This is cappuccino, and this is your latte. You can take this one. Alright, so that's how you do it. That's how you make cappuccino and latte together. So cappuccino is aligadi properly foamy say no at this point of time when you do cappuccino and latte. But that can be a wet cappuccino and that's totally fine. So yeah, that's a quick idea on how you make cappuccino and latte. Take care of yourself.